XRP is testing a crucial resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another XRP analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see from yesterday's video, we were testing a very crucial exponential moving average, and I mentioned the fact that we cannot break lower than this support level here because of the fact that this area was a very important resistance level. As you guys know, previous resistance becomes new support, but you can see that we did have some nice retests on this level, and then immediately after I made that video, we saw a strong bearish engulfing candle actually break below that level, and now we are retesting these EMAs as resistance. Of course, this does mean the fact that this moveset was a massive fake out, and we could be looking for a continuation to the downside as long as we trade below these EMAs. Of course, this 36-cent support level does act as a very strong support level, but you guys can see XRP has been in this weird consolidation zone for quite a while. I have mentioned this to you guys many times that when you have a massive waterfall effect like this, we tend to see a large consolidation before the next leg to the downside. Just because we see a 5 or 6% gain on some of the cryptocurrencies does not mean that the bottom is in, and I have been preaching that to you guys many times. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, we would have to try to break above this level here at 44, find it as consolidation, and then a continuation in order for us to say we did find a local bottom. But right now you can see that XRP is failing to even get near that level. As soon as we test that 40-cent resistance, we immediately start seeing those bearish engulfing candles form in. This is now the fifth test, right? We already had the fifth test, so now we're trading below these EMAs once again. And you guys can see in terms of support at the 36, this level doesn't really hold that well anymore. We've already had two breaks of this level, and now this would be the third test opportunity if we did see a strong bearish engulfing candle to the downside. Of course, in yesterday's video, we were in that overbought territory, but as of right now, we are in this weird little consolidation at the 4-hour zone, so keep a very close eye of this zone. This is the last support the bulls obviously have at that 38-cent level to see whether or not we can hold here. If we do get a strong bearish engulfing candle and actually start entering this territory once again, things are obviously going to look extremely bearish overall. But if we can hold this 4-hour time frame, and I've taught you guys this many times, when you have a midterm support like this on the 4-hour being formed, keep a very close eye because this is where the range gets extremely choppy, right? You don't want to see that fake out opportunity to, of course, see the downside. You want to see, obviously, a strong break above, find that level as consolidation, and then the continuation. This is pretty much a no trade zone, and of course, because it is the weekend, we are expecting a lack of liquidity regardless. On the hourly time frames for XRP, you can see that we are below the exponential moving averages, and we are using them as resistance. This is going to be a very important factor to see whether or not we can actually try to break above this level. But you guys can see on previous price analysis, we use this level as support, right? We had one test here, two tests here before that strong bearish move to the downside, a third, and then multiple retests right here. Now we are using the same level as resistance. You can see that now XRP is failing to break above that level with a strong bearish engulfing candle, a retest, two tops right here, and then the continuation. So this shows the fact that obviously the bears are now in control once again, which is why I'm leaning towards that 36-cent support level to be tested. On the daily time frames for XRP, we are now failing to break above these exponential moving averages. You can see in yesterday's video, we had a very strong bearish engulfing candle break below, and now we're using the same levels as resistance. This does not mean, of course, that we do have a bullish case scenario. We did have one right here, and I mentioned that to you guys a few days ago. The reason why I was leaning towards a little more bullish of a case was because we were using this level as a support. Right now, we are now using this level as resistance, so we have to keep in mind that the overall levels on XRP are still going to be around that 28-cent daily support as well as that 17.5. The reason why our 31-cent level doesn't really matter anymore is you can see that we have already tested this level twice, so this would become the third test opportunity, and as you guys know, on the third test we tend to see a breakdown formation. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.